Hello! In this video, we're going to explore how to add a Trupeer video to a PowerPoint presentation. Start by selecting the video from the Trupeer platform. Once you've made your selection, click on the Download option. Then choose Download Video option to download the video. After that, head over to the PowerPoint Presentation tab and choose the template where you'd like to add your video. Once the template is selected, then click on the Insert option in the toolbar. Once you've done that, you'll notice a video option appear. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will show up. From the drop-down, select the This Device option. Then, pick the video from your file manager. You'll see that the video has been successfully added to your selected slide. You can now adjust the video to fit your needs. Finally, click on the Play button to view the video. And there you have it. That's how you can add a Trupeer video into the PowerPoint. Thank you.